salamat sa... Thank you all for joining sa wonderful night na ito. So this is start of something exciting, and we're really honored na nakapunta kayo dito, especially yung mga galing sa province, galing sa ibang bansa, family, friends. Pinipili ko kayo kasi, hindi naman po lahat na gusto namin ma-invite due to limitations to venue. So, from the bottom of hearts, talagang salamat po for spending this day and this night with us. Sensya na din sa oras. Thank you for really staying up to the end. And we'd also like to thank syempre you for the people who helped make this possibility a reality. And our dream team includes, of course, Enteran for the venue, Events Essentials for the flawless coordination, Love and Bloom for the event stylist, for the flowers, bouquets, Refine Mike for the photography, and Black Side Project for the videography. Joel Escobar for My Bride's Wonderful. Sound Impact Lights and Sounds, Metro Tech for the LCD. And earlier sa ceremony, thank you for the UST singers for the wonderful lighters. And above all, maraming salamat. To God be the glory, kasi po without Him, without His hand in our lives, hindi po mangyari. Again, to everyone, good night. Thank you po for coming.